I wrote a single phrase, and that phrase turned me into an S-rank hunter. No animator, no studio, just me and AI tool, and look what happens when I try to bring my own awakening story to life. If you've ever read one of those typical webtoons about a character who's, well, really weak and then suddenly becomes a super powerful S-rank, and you've thought, man, I wish I could animate this. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually put it together with a tool that's going to blow your mind, and it's called DomoAI. No drawing, no animation experience. I'm going to build it from scratch right now. Let's go. And DomoAI enters the scene, which is the tool that combines many AIs, and it's what we'll use for today's workflow. But wait, don't think we couldn't do many more because it's endless. But obviously, if I did, the video would be 2 hours long. But we're going to convert images, text, or even storyboard frames into an anime style video. And let me tell you, DomoAI is the absolute best at doing that. We'll use its latest feature, Seedance 2.0. It's flawless, avoiding that typical choppy AI motion you see in so many other tools you already know. So let's get right to it. And we're going to check out this new format, which is straight text to video. No images in between or anything like that. And we've got this prompt to work with. It's not that easy when you don't provide a visual, because the key, and I mean the real key, is making the character fit the whole video that follows. Text to video isn't easy, but DomoAI does it really, really well. In fact, we'll pick the YouTube format, and we're going to go with these 10 seconds. We'll see if we can extend it later. We'll see if it looks good for those few seconds. We select Seedance and just hit generate, my friend. And in no time at all, we've got the results. How about we watch the whole thing? It's only 10 seconds long. I'll be quiet so you can also appreciate the BGM, which is the background music. Looks cool, right? All right, let's move on to the next step. I want to set up a high-level rank-up UI. And for that, we're going to go from image to video. So, same procedure. We have the current image from the video we just generated, and we're going to hit generate. It's the same Seedance 2.0 engine, but animating an image this time, instead of text to video like before. What do I mean? Now it has a reference, a starting point, which is that image. And here we can see how we go from a simple static image to directly producing this. Now let's move on to a really interesting feature, which is video enhancement. And we're going to try it out right now. And that's going to further improve the quality of the video we already had. In this case, this last one we just watched. So what we'll do with the video upscale is significantly improve, if not spectacularly, the graphics of the video. So we're going to generate it in 4K so that it looks as good as possible. What this does is sharpen the resolution and detail, but it doesn't change the video at all. It just ups the quality. All right, and here we can see a very clear example of the before and after with the video upscaler. You'll see the difference is massive. And tell me where you can find something that does this. Plus, DomoAI does it. It does it in a second. I don't know how these people do it, making it so incredibly fast. And on top of that, it understands so well. You don't know or understand, well, many of you do, the amount of AI tools I've tried where I've needed to do omni-reference with 90 images. Just saying. Obviously, to get a result even remotely similar to this. And we're talking about the fact that here I only use text. It's a game changer. All right, now what we're going to do is the following. We'll put all the scenes together to assemble a final clip, because what we're going to do is stitch the clips together and generate a final image. So I'm going to show you directly what this result is like, which, by the way, and I have a spoiler for you, all of this is done within DomoAI. I've added an extra epic scene at the end, which I don't need to show you the workflow for because you've already seen it before, but I decided it should have a good ending. this is something else. You liked it, huh? As you can see how we make a clip, with text, we make an image. From an image, we generate another image. From this video, we make another video. And all of this we set to a maximum resolution of 4K. What more could you ask for? In the end, when you're making the videos, you can always regenerate it, right? And have it repeated, well, because there's some detail you didn't like or whatever. That's always normal, it's fine. In the end, look, I used 3 videos and I made 5, so I kept 3 out of 5 that turned out perfect. And all of this in less than 20 minutes without any experience in terms of animation. And genuinely, I don't want to brag, but I think this is at the level of a real anime production. So if you also want to give this a try for yourself and generate your own unique anime story or absolutely anything else that might come to your mind, this is your perfect chance because DomoAI has a completely free tier to start working with your creative workflow. So right down here in the description, you can simply click the link to start generating your very first piece of content and create your first video for free. And if you make one, please tag me, whether it's on Twitter, right here, or wherever you'd like. With that said, I'll sign off. I'm Dota. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.